If you want to record phone calls on POCO F7 Pro, the first thing that you can do is check if you have a built-in record option. It might be available in some regions, and in order to find it, once you are in a call, you can tap on More in the call menu in order to try to find the option to record call over here. However, as you can see, in my case, I don't have it, so the only way to record phone calls on this phone, for me at least, is to get a third-party app that can be downloaded, for example, from the Play Store. And I'm gonna show you one app that I used before, and it is called Cube ACR. This app allows you to easily record phone calls automatically as well, so it's definitely quite convenient. And of course, there are multiple different apps that we can use on this phone. However, I'm gonna show you how this one works. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So first, we need to go next, and we're gonna grant permission. Let's grant all permissions. There we go. Now we can add Cube to auto start. So over here we need to scroll down, find Cube ACR, and just turn on the switcher. After that, we can press OK in order to set battery saver to have no restrictions, and we don't have to agree to geotagging. Let's press OK. Now if you see this premium offer, we can press X in the top left corner twice, and then you might need to install a helper. So we're gonna press install helper. It will open the browser, and now we should be able to download the APK file. We're gonna use this one, and let's download. Now the reason why we have this helper is to pretty much make this app work better. For some reason the helper is separated. So now over here we need to allow to install unknown apps or apps from unknown sources, and this message appears because, well, we have downloaded an app not from the Play Store. So let's press OK, and let's install the helper. So in addition to that, I'm gonna show you how to set up the helper. So we're gonna press next, grant permissions once again. There we go. Now first we need to go to accessibility, go to downloaded apps, and tap on Cube ACR app connector. You want to tap on it, and you want to see this information that access was denied, and press OK. Now we're gonna go back and go to apps, press go to apps, and then over here we are looking for Cube ACR helper, and we need to tap on more and allow restricted settings. There we go. And I think that should be it. And then once again go to accessibility, once again go to downloaded apps, and now you should be able to access the Cube ACR app connector, and we want to use it. Once again, select that you are aware of possible risks, and after 10 seconds press OK. There we go. Now we can add Cube to the background auto start again, this time of course the helper. There we go, and let's press OK. Set no restrictions. Once again press OK. Okay, so now it should go back. Okay, and then let's select add Cube to auto start. We have already done this. I'm not sure why this happened like twice, but now we have this information that we can go back to Cube ACR, the main app, and the app is pretty much set up at this point. But besides that, we can tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to check if the recording is enabled. You can also go through settings if you want to in order to set up the app and adjust it to your needs eventually if you feel like you need it. Alright, so now what we need to do is simply start the call, or we need to receive the call. So once the call is being done, once we are in a call, you should be able to see a notification. For some reason, this is what happens all the time on the screen on this phone. But as you can see, once we open notifications, you should be able to find the information that the Cube ACR helper is active and that the automatic call recording is in progress. This is because, of course, we have automatic recording enabled. And once you are done with the call, you should be able to go to the Cube ACR app, and you should be able to find your recording. Besides that, besides of course having the option to play the recording, you can also tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find more options. And in case the call recorder doesn't catch up the other person, you can try to use the loudspeaker for calls instead. I know that this might be an issue in some cases on some phones. I'm not sure if that's also the case in this phone as well. So if that is the case, then of course just try to use loudspeaker if possible. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!